Module 3, Lesson 4, Content Versioning, 3¼ minutes. Every content piece you create accumulates versions. Every save bumps the version number. Every revert restores a prior state. This matters because campaigns send specific versions. If you edit content after a campaign sent, the sent version is preserved exactly as it left. Open any content piece. The detail page shows the current version at the top. Click Version History. The panel opens on the right. Each row in the panel is one version. The version number, the timestamp, the author, and a short diff summary. The current version is highlighted at the top. Scroll through. You can see exactly how this content evolved over time. Click any prior version row. The editor switches to read-only mode and shows that historical state. The subject, pre-header, body, and merge fields render as they were at that version. You can read but not edit. The header bar above the editor shows you're viewing a prior version. 2 buttons, Restore this version, which copies the historical state into a new edit. Close, which returns to the current version. This is your time machine for content. If a campaign sent with version 4 and you have edited to version 7, you can still see exactly what subscribers received. Click Restore this version. A confirmation dialog opens. The dialog explains what's about to happen. The historical version becomes the new current edit. The version you were on before becomes a prior version preserved. Confirm. The editor returns to edit mode with the restored content loaded. Save it like any draft. The new version is the current head. The version you restored from is preserved as a prior version. You can revert again if you change your mind. No version is ever lost. Each version with AI Assist applied carries provenance. The model, the confidence, the reasoning. Filter the version history by AI provenance. See exactly which versions were AI drafted, which were human edits, and which were a mix. This is what makes AI-assisted content auditable. A regulator or a brand reviewer can trace every piece of copy back to its source, human, model, or both. Module 3 is complete. You wrote your first content, used AI to draft subject lines, created a template, toured the version history. Module 4 ships your first campaign, end to end, the 5-step wizard from name to send. See you in Module 4.